Good morning, Putnam County High School. I'm Paula Sharp and this is Kilo Bailey with your first morning announcements.
Attention all students, Tuesday is the last day to purchase your candygrams for Valentine's Day. Purchase candygram for anybody, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, best friend, whoever. All candy will be hand-delivered on Valentine's Day. Check out the candy sales going on and during lunch.
Not only is February the month of love, it's also the Career Technical and Agricultural Educational Month. Each week, a different career technical students organization celebrates their special week. This week is National Skills USA Week. Today, Skills USA is celebrating our first faculty and staff, or all their hard work and support. Teachers, don't forget to join us in the restaurant during your lunch for a special meal. We truly do appreciate all that you've done for us.
Don't forget, you can still buy donuts from any Skills USA member. The last day to buy donuts is February 19th. They're only $5 and will be delivered February 22nd.
Also, do not forget to stop by Miss Chamberlain's room to check out the Skills Closet.
SCCLA will be meeting on Tuesday, February 12th, after school to finish STAR event projects. Those that are participating in STAR events, please bring your $20 registration fee.
The Putnam County High School softball team is selling pullovers. If interested, see any softball player or coach bachelor. They are $33 and your order needs to be placed by Thursday.
So our word of the day is métier, which means an activity in which one excels. That's all we have for today. I'm Kilo Bailey and this is Paula Sharp, Eagle Eye News.